Hey Chris, I'm at the property here. I just take a little small video for you at the front. That's the environment, and that's the house. Today they have an open house, and a lot of people is coming to look at properties here. So I'm gonna go in and take a video inside. Okay, thank you. Hey Chris, well, I am still outside. I just walk in, talk to the realtor there, and walk out and trying to from here to so you can see the front door, and it's actually nice. It's the yard has flowers and stuff like that, and the front yard. I mean, and then. The front, they even have a video camera, security camera here, and I'm gonna go in here. All right. Ooh, okay. So I'm just gonna walk through here. That's the living room. Actually, really nice. The walls very nicely painted with accent color. It's very nice actually. And the living room here has a high ceiling. So there's other people as looking at the property. And here is the kitchen. The appliances come with the refrigerator.
Of course.
Right?
Whoever takes that's a bad person.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it's nice actually, really nice.
I'll give you a card just to let you know. Roof has 6 years, AC 2018 thermal and electrical pocket check. Master downstairs, 3 bedrooms on top, pools in the back, obviously. If you have any questions, let me know. You're welcome.
A lot of people coming for the open house. Okay, so now I'm walking into the master. The master is downstairs. Okay, I'm continue walking into this master bedroom. Yeah, it's a good size. It's a good size master bedroom here. And you have a sliding door to go out the yard. So here is the master bathroom. Not sure if that many people coming for the open house. I'm hoping they're not gonna have others making higher offer for this property because it really shows very nice. Oh, I'm sorry. And here I believe is the closet master. Oh, there's a closet with a little have a little desk in the office area actually. But yeah, it's not bad. The owner here is very organized and pretty clean. So and I think here is for the dog. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Let's go out there first. So here have the patio. It's all covered. And wow, there's chicken outside, and Wow, interesting. It's a big space that covered area here. And that's the bedroom that you can walk out the glass door, and that's also the side door that you can go outside of the yard. I'm gonna go out here. So that's the yard that you were talking about. See, it has the gate, and you have a garage, and no, the trash can there, and that's all yours here. It's all yours here, okay? So, and here, of course, it has the pool and the backyard. A lot of space for the backyard. And I am going to walk in from here. So that's the pool area and the seating area. But the pool needs to be cleaned. There are other realtors also taking video here. So, okay, and I don't know what's there. Let me walk up. Ooh, damn. Okay, it's just nothing here. And here, I'm gonna walk out. They had some flowers and little plants here. You can see, it's very nice. And then have a table and a pool and a little fireplace here. And okay. And there they have a little area that you can raise chicken, duck, whatever you want to do. Alright, and then I'm gonna back into the house. So I'm back in the patio area. Actually, this area they have a wall AC, so you can use, but the indoors are central AC.
You guys are getting entertained.
So
Alright, cool. Alright, cool.
okay, I'm gonna walk upstairs.
Alright, then if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Gracias.
Let me see here. There's a half bath here, and some storage here, and that would be the garage. Ooh, a lot of stuff here. So here is the garage. They have a lot. They're probably planning to move or something. So they have a lot of stuff here. And then here, let's go upstairs. Stairs already have a wood floor, which is really nice. And okay, here is the bathroom. One of the bathrooms. And let's go up this side. There's 2 bedrooms here. So this is one. It's a good size. It's not small at all. Okay, and I have like a window sitting here, and they had the blinds closed, so it doesn't not be too hot. So here, let me because there's other people there, so I'm gonna walk to the other bedroom here. So yeah, this you're looking at the maybe small because they have too many beds here. So, and the room actual size is not that small. And here you can looking out to the yard. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the other room here. It's all pink. Alright, and it has a closet here. It's a walk-in closet. It's for the kids. I don't know where the light. Oh, the lights over here. So, and this is the walk-in closet. I think it's enough space. All right, and also have a window seating and the bed. It's I think it's a full size. The room is okay. It's not that small. It's kind of normal size, and that's about it. And here you can look down the downstairs. It's really good space from here.